I'm gonna fix this issue in the kitchen because my wife isn't home. So I was doing some trimming in the backyard the other day and this cover happened to pop open. I didn't realize it and my air filter fell out. Now you might be tempted to just continue running it because you do have a plastic cover, but I'm telling you, you create a ton of dust. You're stirring up dust and dirt in the backyard. You will absolutely clog your carburetor if you don't replace that air filter. Now the good news is these are super cheap. I got a pack of 3 in less than 48 hours on Amazon. I'll put a link in the description as to where you can get these, and you can quickly get your string trimmer back up and running without risking clogging your carburetor. So if we open up this package, again, this is a set of 3, and the air filter is really simple. You don't need this piece. This essentially is your air filter. I've got a Bolens BL110. This also fits MTD and Troy-Bilt, but go on Amazon, make sure you match your model, and we'll go ahead and install this guy. Now I am using a K&N recharger kit. I only need to use the air filter oil today because I'm working on a brand new filter. If you are just cleaning a filter, you want to clean it with soapy water, usually let it dry, but I'm just going to be putting oil on my filter today. Now I can't emphasize enough, only do this inside if your wife is not home. All right, I'm just gonna rub that around and get it on there pretty good. Now when we put our oil filter on, we don't want to put it on this side. It'll drive you crazy, but there's little tabs inside the housing. So you're just gonna slide this air filter down around all these tabs. It should look like that when you're all done. And now you can just very gently close it. And now you're back in business with a new oiled filter to catch all that dust before it enters your carburetor. Again, I'll put a link in the description to the air filter set of 3 that I got for about $6 on Amazon. It got here in less than 2 days. I'll also put a link to where you can get some of that air filter oil. Thanks for watching. Check out the description for more information and hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more videos.